Single mom on the verge of becoming homeless builds her own $10,000 tiny house instead. Tiny houses are enjoying a serious boon in popularity. People all over the world are eagerly downsizing and getting back to basics in these simple homes. For one woman, moving into a tiny house wasn't something she did to simplify her life, it was something she did to change it for the better. The results are just beautiful, inside and out. Before we get started, take a moment to please subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and give us a like. When Charlotte Sappwell got divorced, she not only had 2 children to provide for, she was told that if she wanted to continue living in her house, she would have to be prepared to pay a $300,000 mortgage. Charlotte refused to be a woman who lived from paycheck to paycheck and could lose her home at any time to the bank if she missed a single payment on the house. She came up with an ingenious solution to her problem and within just 5 months went from being a woman facing impossible odds to being a homeowner. With support from her grandfather, a woodworker, Charlotte built a 10 by 20 foot tiny house on his property. It took her just 5 months to build the house, which contains a combined living room, kitchen, and Charlotte's bedroom, and second bedroom for her 2 growing boys. As her skills grow, so too do the little touches in the house. Check out these sliding barn doors she installed in the boys' room. With her woodworking skills thoroughly in place, now Charlotte likes to spend her free time building things like this fun little ice cream stand for her kids. Charlotte was facing impossible odds, and instead of crumbling under the pressure, she learned, evolved, and thrived. It's truly remarkable. Living inside of a tiny house is one thing, but figuring out how to build it all on your own is another thing entirely. How cool is that? Share this inspiring story with your friends below. Check out these other videos from Let Me Know. If you haven't made the move to subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is click on that red subscribe button. Thank you for watching.